I love Canva. It is so useful. It is so fun, and I feel like anyone can use it. Beginner, intermediate, advanced. You do not have to be a graphic artist. Love Canva. So that being said, it is easy to go back and change your thumbnails that you've created for your YouTube channel in Canva. I'm going to show you how. And I think that you can get higher views when you have clearer, more descriptive, more fun, more colorful, more interesting thumbnails. And sometimes that takes putting it out there and sort of watching your video and see how it's doing and comparing it to other videos in your niche. And then going back and saying, okay, can I make the font bigger? Can I add a graphic? Can I add a picture of myself? Can I make this thumbnail somehow stand out to my audience and just give it a little bit of a wow? Can I go ahead and redo those thumbnails at all? Yes, you can. All right, let's go ahead. Let's dive in.
Go to your videos. It's the option on the left-hand side, a little bit further down. Here are all the videos that I have created recently. So I'm going to go by, sort by, and let me check my oldest videos. See if I can rehash and redo some of these thumbnails to maybe get some new views on this old material. So here's a video that I made about using Snapchat in my classroom. And I'm going to go ahead. I don't like how small the font is, and my picture is too big, and the little Snapchat logo is too small. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. So now I'm going to go ahead and go over to Canva. I don't have to do anything in YouTube right now. I just know what I want to redo. I know my material. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select a thumbnail size blank canvas. And all I want to do is grab the text tool. And when I have that text tool, I'm going to go ahead and write exactly what my thumbnail title should be. And I'm going to go ahead and write Snapchat. And I'm going to go ahead and write Snapchat, how to use it in class. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the font to 220. Ooh, very nice, much bigger. And I'll go ahead and align it to the left, make that Snapchat 220 as well. And I'm just writing in the font size. And then I'll drag it out a little bit. Wonderful. And I'll pull it up a little bit, center it, and just sort of get it the way I want it. And then I'm going to go into my uploads and I'm going to choose a picture of myself, and then I'm going to choose the Snapchat logo. So there's a picture of myself. I'll drag it out, and I'll probably end up putting it in a frame. So it has a little bit of dimension to it, and it's not just a flat picture. So I don't like it up there. I'm going to go ahead and choose a frame next. I'm going to go ahead and choose a frame now. Oh, there's a nice curly frame, a circular curly frame. So I'm going to just drag that in, and then all I do is put my photo on top of it, and it goes right into that nice frame, that photo frame. And it just sort of looks a little bit more polished. I'm going to move that over because I have that sort of that white space right there. And now I'm going to upload my little Snapchat logo. Okay, I found my Snapchat logo. I'm going to go ahead and drag it over to the corner. I'll resize it a little bit just by clicking on it and dragging it. And voila! I have a nice new thumbnail for my old video. So now I'm going to go ahead into the top right-hand corner, click download. I'm going to choose the format of a PNG, and then hit download. And it's going to automatically download after it says preparing your design. And it gives me this fun little quote that always changes. And it's going to be downloaded into my downloads folder. It might be downloaded somewhere different for you if you have somewhere selected that is different from your downloads. And look at that thumbnail, nice and clear with bigger text. And you can see that Snapchat logo a lot better than my old one. So there's my old one. So now I just go ahead and click on that video. And I hit edit video. And there's my video. Awesome. So I go ahead and sort of underneath the description is my thumbnail, and I hover on it and then I hit change, and I go to my downloads folder and I select my new thumbnail, and looky, there it is. Is that easy or what?